Hi everyone and welcome to Precious Channel. Our today's recipe is the benefits of spinach. The benefits of spinach include skin care, improved eyesight, regulated blood pressure, stronger muscles, and prevention of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and hemophilia. It aids in the healthy fetal development and growth of infants. In addition, spinach also helps with health conditions such as cataracts, atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and neurological disorders. It aids in the healthy fetal development and growth of infants. Proteins for infant growth. Popeye, the Sailor Man, is known for his obsession with spinach. The cartoon was deliberately aimed to convince children to eat spinach and get strong. It is advised to feed infants with spinach, which will give them protein, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. These nutrients result in proportionate development in their essential growing stages, and make them into rolls. Grease a 9*9 baking dish and put all the rolls in it. Now slather some marinara sauce on it and cheese if you like. Bake for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Helps in bone mineralization. Spinach is a good source of vitamin K, which functions in retaining calcium in the bone matrix, thereby leading to bone mineralization. Apart from this, other minerals like manganese, copper, magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus also help in building up strong bones. This, in turn, can help prevent an individual from developing osteoporosis. These minerals are also essential for maintaining healthy teeth and nails. Helps aid the digestive system. Spinach has the ability to protect the mucous membrane of the stomach, thereby decreasing the occurrence of gastric ulcers. Furthermore, the glycoglycerolipids found in spinach can boost the strength of the digestive tract lining, thereby preventing any unwanted inflammation in that part of the body. Prevents atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is caused due to the hardening of the arteries. A pigment called lutein that is found in spinach has been shown to reduce the occurrence of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. This is due to the fact that spinach proteins tend to reduce cholesterol and other fat deposits in the blood vessels. Helps with fetal development. Spinach is rich in folate and is suggested for pregnant women. A growing fetus needs ample amount of folate for proper development of the nervous system. Defects like cleft palate or spina bifida may occur due to a deficiency of folate. The high levels of vitamin A in it are advised to be consumed in recommended daily amounts by mothers. Vitamin A is required for proper lung development of the fetus and can be transferred during breastfeeding, so spinach consumption is recommended to be continued after birth as well. Reduces inflammation. There are many anti-inflammatory compounds found in spinach, more than a dozen, in fact. They are classified into the category of methylene dioxyflavonoid glucuronides, and spinach is one of the most powerful vegetables when it comes to reducing inflammation throughout the body. This not only means protecting the heart but also reducing the inflammation and pain associated with conditions like arthritis and gout, which affect millions of people around the world. Anti-cancer effect. Spinach is made up of various important constituents that have been found to be promising in the prevention of various kinds of cancer. These include bladder, prostate, liver and lung cancers. Different constituents in spinach like folate, tocopherol, and chlorophyllin act via different mechanisms to protect patients suffering from cancer. Recent studies have revealed that it is very effective against aggressive prostate cancer, and this has been linked to epoxy xanthophylls, which are unique carotenoids, along with neoxanthin and violazanthin that directly reduce tumorous activity and the spread of cancer throughout the body. Spinach are for me, an amazing greenie that I always add to my diet, and I encourage you to do the same. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and thumbs up to enable us create more natural health remedy videos for you.